Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a beautiful 2007 Honda GL18P Goldwing. This bike's got 51,700 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up, show you everything that's on it. This Goldwing's been very well taken care of and very well maintained. The tires on it are in excellent condition, got plenty of miles left on those. It comes with side air deflectors. It also has highway pegs, footboards for the passenger, the hard side bags, the trunk, armrests for the passenger, a luggage rack. Found one scratch here on the trunk and one scrape here on the edge of the trunk, almost like it was backed into something. But otherwise the rest of this bike is nice and clean. You can see by the back tire that's got plenty of miles left on it. And again, armrest for the passenger. The driver's backrest has been removed. Comes with a cup holder plus all your Goldwing goodies from OEM. And again, the highway pegs with the air deflectors. Just a really nice, clean, good-looking Goldwing.
Ridiculously hot in here. It looks like my skin is crying.
51,761 is what's on it. Starts right up and just idles like a champ. Really a smooth running bike. Yep, looks like we got a running light out here we'll have to address when it goes through inspection. I don't find any rips or tears or anything like that in the seat, so all that leather is in good shape. This Goldwing will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Goldwing from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.